Now that we have our function completed and we know how to call the function over multiple times, the next thing that we're going to do is talk about how to load that data into your user form. Now this is not going to save the data into your user form, but it's going to display that information to your user. And we're going to do that using text boxes that we have already drawn onto the user form. Originally these were text box 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have changed that a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Here I have text box 1 as my item number, and then my item price, the name is item price. The first thing you want to do is have this window displaying, your properties window. You just got to go to view, properties window if it's not already displayed. And the purpose behind changing the name of your controls is that way the code just makes a little bit more sense. So in this case, instead of me having text box 2 for the item price, I have item price. And what I'm going to do here is modify text box 1. I'm going to label that as item number. And notice what I'm changing is the name property, not the caption, not the text, but the name property itself. So what we're going to do here is double click the call function. And already I've created some variables here. I have the title, the availability, the price, and item number. Declare them all as strings, that way the Visual Basic environment knows how to handle these variables. And so the function that we have created, I'm going to just open the parentheses, that way we can see we have product number as string, product title, availability, and the item price. The only thing that we're actually sending to the function is the item number. And in this case we need to set that up right now. Item number is equal to, and that should be textbox1.text, which is now no longer textbox1, it's item number.text. These other three variables are return variables, where it's going to return data to us. So now what we're going to do, I already have the name of my text boxes set up in a notepad to make things a little bit easier. These are the names of my text boxes: item price, so it's going to be item price.text, availability.text, and item title.text. And all we're going to do here is do item price.text is equal to the price, availability.text is equal to the availability variable, and then item title.text is equal to the title. So if we play this out, this should work. Let's go ahead and hit F5 and click call function. And there you have it. The window closed out. The information is now on our user form. And again, if you want to take a look at that code really quick, the function was already covered in a previous video, but for this video, all we're talking about is how to store it to the user form. Here you have it.